A she has changed into a he. A kind of giant wrasse called a cobodai. This is a male, and in female terms, he is particularly handsome. He's a meter long and weighs 15 kilos, and he is ready to breed. He attempts to mate with her, but females from around 10 years old take little notice of his advances. This is because when any large female reaches a critical body size, she can begin a dramatic transformation. Over just a few months, particular enzymes inside her body cease to work, and male hormones start to circulate. Her head expands, and her chin gets longer. A she has changed into a he. And with this comes a change in temperament. He's challenged to a face-off. The more bulbous the head, the more it intimidates an opponent. The territory has a new ruler. Only the largest females transform themselves in this way. But the change enables them to have more mates, so they will have many more offspring carrying their genes.